Okay, next, I want you to become a person of value. Value guarantees a higher income, age doesn't. You don't get more valuable hanging around for years. Age isn't value. People who want more money earn it by delivering more value to their business and their customers. Um, it's not referring to external or internal customers, right? So what to focus on? Learn to work hard on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on your job, you can make a living, but if you work hard on yourself, you make a fortune. This is by Jim Rohn. So as I mentioned earlier, do not seek success, seek to become a person of value. Make yourself valuable by discovering your gift and your talent and your dream. Right, as Dr. Miles Monroe said, do you know that the cemetery is the wealthiest place on earth? Why? Because there in the cemetery are books that will never return. In the graveyard, there are music that will never heard. There are poetry that will never be read. In the cemetery, we have dreams that die as nightmares. So I want you to work on yourself. So in this lesson, you will see a material on writing your gifts and your talent, and then how you're going to use it for the people around you. Okay? Next, we go on to 7, follow your passion. So it's no secret that billionaire businessman Elon Musk is on a mission to colonize Mars, and now even his Twitter bio expresses that openly. So as I mentioned earlier, this is how he markets SpaceX, right? To colonize Mars, bringing us human beings to be to Mars and making it habitable. Okay, so I believe, right, Elon Musk has a lot of passion towards his job, his work. So what heals him is his work and time, and he focused on helping people, and is to make Mars habitable for human beings. So that's why he has forgotten his problem, his own life problem. Okay? So I want you to follow your passion. What do you want to do in life? So remember the vision board that I mentioned? That's your why, and then you have a vision board of what you want to do the next 5 to 10 years. So you can share with me your vision, and then share with me how this tutorial, this online course have changed your life. I'll be most happy to receive your email. Okay? Alright, next. Next, use adversity for your benefit, right? Like for me, if I didn't realize there's there's a problem in my marriage, right? Um, I wouldn't have used this adversity for my benefit. I wouldn't have decided to help more women to know what they really want in life. And then life is so short, right? Of course, we need to give in, be submissive to our husband, right? But if we have done our part, and if he doesn't want to support the family, right, we have to move on. So, but we must be proactive. Don't wait for adversity if you can. So, if you are always worried about your job, think about one step ahead. What will happen the next step? Then you will not be so worried about what's going to happen in your life or in your career. Okay, so use adversity for your benefits. I believe that why I faced this adversity 5 years ago is to strengthen me. All the challenges that's here on earth, right, is to challenge us and make us stronger. And then, when you realize that you're stronger, right, you will have more confidence in yourself to move forward. Okay, I promise you that. Next, defy your own experience. Don't believe in your old memories. Let go of those old experiences and dare to try new things. So, this quote is beautiful. Recalling days of sadness, memories haunt me. Recalling days of happiness, I haunt my memories. So sometimes things happen and then you remember that old memories, you need to let it go. And sometimes if a person, let's say for example, this person was in this company, for example, it's an insurance company, and she approached you, and after that she just get you to sign the policy, and then she left just like that, and then this second person who knows you as a friend, and she's doing the same thing, right? And then you wanted to invest actually, but you have money to invest, but because of what happened to you previously, you decided not to. So this is what I meant, defy your own experience, let go of those old bad experiences, and dare to try new things. Okay, so maybe you could give her another chance to tell you what is she good at, what's the insurance policy all about, etc. Okay. Finally, I told you, right, I'm going to give you this great gratitude notes, right? So in this note, right, in this slide, right, take a look, download that note, right, and then write down the gratitude list. So every day, write down 3 things that you're grateful for, and I promise you will become a a better version of yourself, because um, gratitude is your optimistic pill. All right, so once you're grateful for what you have right now, you'll be grateful for many things to come. Okay, the universe are like that. When they know that you're grateful for a lot of things, many good things will come. Okay? Alright. So this is my quote to you guys. Thinking positive is a sign of maturity. So um, after I've gone through this 5 years ago, it was devastating for me. It was almost like death. It was like I was isolating myself um, from people. I do not want to mix around. I do not want to um, either you do 2 things, right? You isolate yourself, or you become a social butterfly. You are like going from party to party, or or you refuse to stay at home, right? And that's also bad, because I did not really sit down and reevaluate my feelings and my mental feelings, my mental health. So I decided to sit down and then have more time with God, and I reevaluate myself, and I went to my coach for counseling, um, and they directed me to a better future. So that's me now. So I believe that if you have gone through your divorce, um, we will all go through this like a death phase, right? And then we are isolated from people, and we do not want to mix around, or either that we just mix around with people and then become a social butterfly, right? So I want you to sit down and think about what you want to do in life the next 5 years. And I promise you, when you follow these principles of success, which I actually give it to you today, you will be successful as well. Okay? Next, okay, if you have any questions or answers, tell me what have you learned, right? You can email to me, julia@soundandbeautyexperts.com. I would love to hear your life transformation after you attend this workshop. And let's keep in touch, right? Please follow me on all my social media, okay? I'll give you my social media information in the next slide. So I'm having a special promotion for one-on-one solution-focused life coaching. Are you in need of a confidence boost, motivation, better work-life balance, help with career changes, business development support, or help making lifestyle decisions, right? I'm giving you a special promotion of $200 for 1.5 hours coaching. The promotion period is till end of this year. Okay, so this is my contact. Please follow me on all my social media, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. May your cup overflow with peace, love, and pure awesomeness today. And I thank you all so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.